Konnichiwa minasan! It's been a while since the last time I uploaded on our adventures. So today, I'll be showing you yung mga pinagagawa ko during Bushiroad Expo. So, of course, I went as Hanayo, Koizumi, casual version from Love Live. Ayun. So, these are the things, by the way, na unang nakita ko as the moment I step in Bushiroad Expo. This is day 1, by the way, ha. So, ayan, as you can see, ayan. So, we'll start sa mga displays na unang nag-pick ng attention ko. Kasi why not, diba? This is for sightseeing talaga. I believe, are these figures or Nendos? Basta yan. Naka-display siya dyan. Actually, ang dami nga niyan eh. Tapos, chinaga ko siya, inisa-isa ko siya para naman nakita nyo, especially if you're someone who's really interested in attending Bushiroad Expo but couldn't make it because sometimes schedule or sobrang layo ng venue. Like, example ako, pero ako kasi chinatsaga ko lang. Ayan. Ang cute, diba? They were so cute. Of course, bawal ang hawakan yan. As you can see naman sa sign. And, ayan. So, have a look. Actually, this is day 1 pala, by the way, ha? And, luckily for me, hindi pa naman ganong katao. Kasi kung matao to, baka hindi ko na talaga na videohan ng ayos. So, ayan. Any fans of, My Hero Academia, yes. Ayan. Tada! They're so small. And then, that's me after the event. May pinatunayan lang talaga ako na kaya ko na maghiwalay ng chopsticks. Muntik na masira yan actually. But ayun, gutom ako niyan. And this is day 2. Super saglit lang ng day 1. Kasi talaga yun talaga yung plano ko. So, that's my cosplay for day 2. Actually, I am a substitute po to a cos group. So, try to guys kung sino yung kinosplay ko today. Kasi, I had fun, letting people guess kung sino yung kinosplay ko niyan. So, these are my shenanigans before I reach the event for day 2. And, of course, ito naman yung mga other displays or standees na nakita ko in day 2. Actually, ewan ko ba kung parang naghahanap ako ng husbando dito. Are you familiar in this series, by the way? Aminin ko, I don't know the series. So, next is, I believe these are TCG. Yes, mga cards. Actually, I don't really know about this, but it looks interesting, ha? The only cards that I played are yung Pokemon, yung Battle Spirits, and yung Yu-Gi-Oh! Nung bata. Pero bata pa ako nun. And wala akong idea how does TCG works this time. And paano madidistinguish kung sino yung panalo or talo. Like, how does the damage work, defense, ganyan, etc. Pero I'm willing to learn, ha. If some of you wants to teach me or something, yeah, please do, onegaishimasu. Pero wala pa akong, own deck. I believe, sabi nila, for starters daw, kailangan may sarili kang deck. May kaso wala ako. I don't know where to buy. I don't know where to start. But they also said na magastos din daw to. Some people are saying na naku, wag mo nang pasukin. Then I was like, I think magastos din. So ayan, ang dami niyan actually. There's a lot of display. I made sure na it was super lapit para makita niyo yung mga details, baka may makita kayong trip nyo. Ganyan. It's kind of confusing sa akin as someone who never played TCG. Yan? Parang may series ba siya or what? So, but ayan, yung iba parang I can see na parang there's like an anime series, and then it's on a card, something like that. So, yan. I actually did this habang inaantay ko yung mga kasama ko for the photo shoot. So, ayan. So, kada stall nun, meron mga ganong parang design. So, this is me. And then, after kong mag-take ng video for a bit, kasi andyan yung say, yun ng, I think from Bang Dream. Oh my God, I am so sorry. Hindi ko alam yun. And this is us. Nung nag-start na kami sa photoshoot, of course, hinighlight ko yung mga kasama ko because they're the best. Hindi ko sila kilala personally. This is the first, actually, wait lang. Ilan ba yung nakilala ko lang doon? There's like 4 na, medyo matagal ko. Dalawang medyo matagal ko nang kilala. And then, dalawa rin matagal ko nang kilala. Ayan. That's Riz. She's my friend. Na-meet ko siya sa, kaka-fangirl ko sa Project Secretary. Ayan. So, of course, all of us are beautiful. Ito, ang cute nito. Ang kulit lang ng, nito, nung nangyari dito. Kasi, and tumatawa. Maybe the dog thought na, is a sword fighter or something. Ayan. Ito, na-meet ko siya along sa nauna kanina nung Cosmania lang. And wala, small interaction and then unexpected na kilala ko pala. And this is me, of course. Even though sobrang last minute dito, like kinabukasan na yung photoshoot, grabe, binasa ko as much as I can about this character. Kasi I don't know much about this. But of course, I wanted to portray this well. Like, I want to give justice sa cosplay ko. Hindi lang naman ako basta-basta suot. Ayan. So, me included, of course, we have to, diba? Portray well. And, of course, after that, ayan na kami. Mga pagod na, actually. Anong oras na rin yan? Ayan. And that's me. Ito na yung time na medyo nangangati na ako sa oras kasi I am waiting for the project sa kay CSE reservation time nun. Hindi ako, like, Riz was, a witness to that na natataranta ako. So, this is, part na pala to is the TCG part. These are the other stuff that you can see on Bushiroad Expo. I actually took advantage nung medyo konti na lang yung tao. Kasi nung time na yan, sobrang dami talaga. Well, it's day 2 kasi. It's a free entrance. And also, ayun nga, welcome to all siya. So, expected naman. Pero di na ako nasasanay sa tao. I am so sorry. Ganun ni prayer nun, by the way. Ayan, so more displays to show from different series, franchise, ganyan. And of course, there's a lot of TCG pa rin na cards. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na I'm kind of confused na kung may mga different series pa ba yun and different cards or brands. But yeah, ito yung one of my favorite. Ang laki ng ng part na to. Ayan, do you guys know this? Ayan siya, it's Bang Dream. Ang maganda pa dito, wait lang. I don't know if it's, from a new group, pero naka-display yung damit nila. Like, as a cosplayer, it's so tempting. Ang ganda nung costume, yung damit na naka-display nun. So, of course, more on TCGs pa. Pero nung time ni tinatanggal na. I just hurry up. Di ko na siya na-zoom in, unfortunately. And these are the last few things from Bushiroad. Closing time na to. And hopefully nakuha ko naman lahat ng mga highlights that you might get interested in. So, this is us after the event. And this is me after then. Sobrang pagod na ako niyan. Nagpahinga ko for like an hour. Nasa ka na ng heels. Ko dyan pa ako. And, ayan. Sobrang na ako dyan. Medyo unti-unti na ako nagpa-pack up. Basta inano ko na yung weapon. And this is after, fully closed na yung event. And of course, I ate a little. And that's me after. Pauwi na ako. That will be all. Bye-bye!